Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Barista espresso machine. Now for this machine it was brought to us because no water was pumping into anything. Very little water was coming out through the group head, to the steam one, or through the hot water one. And that was because the hose that is connected to the water pump was actually twisted and it was not letting water flow freely from the water tank to the water pump and into the system. So we went over there on the back of the machine, fix the hose, put it back together, descale the machine just in case if there's anything clogging up the system, and that's all we did with this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Okay, so now we're gonna be grinding coffee. We're using the double basket of this espresso machine, and we're using the number 3rd setting of the grinder. We're also using our old coffee. And now let's do our shot of espresso. Espresso range. Nice flow coming out the spouts, excellent color as well, and really good cream on top of that espresso shot. Great quantity too. Looking great. Excellent crema. Now we're gonna test the hot water of this espresso machine. We'll remove the portafilter. As you can see there, I pressed the steamer instead of the hot water one. So we'll be testing the steamer for the We're gonna put the pitcher right here. And as the thermoblock starts to heat up, the water pump will start pulsing, sending water through that 3-way valve that is on the back of the machine, going all the way into the thermoblock and going out of the steamer, as you see right here. And as it gets hotter, we'll see much more pressure coming out of the steam. As you can see right now, steam working perfectly fine. Excellent pressure, excellent temperature, looking great. Now we're going to be testing the hot water, but because we have just done a steam, it's going to shoot through the one as it's very hot. Once it cools down, we're going to see that steady stream that comes out of the hot water one. As you can see, now the thermoblock is cooling down, and now we have that steady stream coming out of the hot water. Excellent flow, working great. So there you have it, Breville Barista Express working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing my Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.